This is wrong to believe that eating after dark will automatically make you gain weight. People assume the timing matters because calorie balance feels obvious when the day ends and cravings spike. The real truth is that total calories and food quality matter more than clock time, especially if you stay within daily targets. A small late snack can fit into your pattern if it keeps you full and doesn't push you over your limit. The takeaway is that intention and portion control beat rigid meal schedules every single time.